Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can install Always On Display on OPPO A60. To do this, we will need to download an app to have the Always On Display on our OPPO A60. So we're gonna open the Play Store, and in the Play Store we need to search for Muviz Edge, and we need to install this app over here. Press the install button, wait a couple of seconds to download the app, and once it is done we can press open. At first we will need to grant some permissions, so tap on this arrow in order to open the list of the apps, and then we need to find Muviz Edge over here, select it, and tap on the slider on the right side in order to grant display over other apps permission, and then we need to simply go back. We'll go back to the app itself, we can switch to AOD category at the bottom, and then we can select the AOD that we like the most that we want to set up. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Then we can press apply in the bottom right corner, and after that we can exit. So now if I lock my device and I tap the screen once, then I will see my AOD. In order to exit the AOD, you can tap the screen twice. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!